Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in McKinney, Texas, where we're evaluating a crawl space that was just done. The homeowner is a little skeptical of what he paid and if the job was done to top standards, as we should say. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to say no, it's not. The, that's a panel. That inside this crawl space, which means they were using it so they can have an access to come in and out. And it's a foundation wall. But listen, that's a foam board. You don't take a foam board, even if you put concrete on the outside, you don't take a foam board and substitute that for a concrete wall. Everything is concrete. So if they're going to repatch that, it should be either masonry block of some kind, maybe 8 by 8 by 16 block, and then sealed and closed, or put a trap door in that would be a little bit higher up. And that's not the case. It's a foam board, which means water over time is going to come in this area. Now, I'm not positive on if there's drains, so I'll find a corner and dig it out and check and find out if there's a drain running down the side, the back. But right now, I just really honestly don't believe it is. The taping is okay, no big deal. But see this thin bare material right here? This thin bare material, that is laying down on top. It's laying down close to the bottom. And that's just around the wall, so it makes you think that there's a double layer of material. That material should go down and then wrap all the way across the entire crawl space. And then this white vapor barrier that I'm laying on should be on top of it. So that's 2 layers of material. I just found a hole, and it's not. The wall material stops about 2 inches down, and then this material comes across and meets it. This should not be, if this area floods on a regular basis, which the homeowner said it did, and this is a home that he's building brand new. But if you look, see how the way this area is, everything is, as dirty as this is, I was just told that this crawl space is not even totally finished yet. This is what it looks like. This crawl space looks like it's 5 years old. The pipes, nothing's been wiped down, nothing's been cleaned. It's substandard work. I'm not going to say the name of the company that put the system in. Most people don't believe there's a lot of encapsulations or basements in Texas, so I don't need to badmouth everyone, but this is a substandard job. It's a large basement, but it's just substandard work. 2 layers of material, and there's only 1 layer of material. Everything's been wrapped. That's okay, but nothing has been cleaned. And the dehumidifier is on the far side of the house. This crawl space should have 2 dehumidifiers. This basement's got to be anywhere between 1,700 square foot minimum. And you look up, see the dips and the falls. Look, that side dips in right here, and look across. It just looks like it's the crater of the moon. They didn't take out the time to kind of level off or slope the dirt so the water would fall wherever they want. It just looks like they crawled in and then put material down and then began sealing everything up. Let's go to the back and see what we're looking at. There's lighting in, but not enough lighting to be seen. Look, we can't see in the back. See, back here, there's just nothing back there. This area should be lit. This crawl space, when they turn on a light, they should be able to look from the opening and see almost wall to wall because the lights are everywhere. Instead, it's just a partial lighting. I was told they had, I'm just flabbergasted. 20% of the jobs we do, we're redoing. And this is one of the reasons why. Okay, this back side looks better, but look at the trash. My goodness, they couldn't take out an extra hour to clean. So there's a dehumidifier way in the back. Let's crawl back there. Now, the back door is open, so the dehumidifier should be running. It's not. Very nice unit. Very nice unit. In the back. See, there's cinder block in the back. See it? Right at the very back. Let me see if I can expand it so I can get you to the corner. There it is. See the cinder block? That cinder block should be sealed and mortared in. That's the way it should look any place that there's an opening. And that's not what was done. And it's the same way where we can see the light coming in at the top. That area should have some kind of drain system to make sure that this water does not end up inside this crawl space. That's low down there. That's correct. But every place else is just too many valleys. Let's go over and see. The dehumidifier looks like it's on a backup, so that's correct. But the installation is to be desired. Let's go over and take a look at it.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.